Zinnias are vibrant, easy-to-grow annual flowers that are popular in gardens for their bright, cheerful blooms and long-lasting color. Here's a detailed overview of zinnia flowers. 1. Appearance. Flowers. Zinnias come in a wide range of colors including red, orange, pink, yellow, white, and purple. The flowers are typically daisy-like and can be single or double, with a variety of petal shapes and sizes. Leaves. The leaves are usually oval or lance-shaped with a rough texture and are arranged alternately along the stem. 2. Blooming time. Zinnias bloom from summer through fall, providing a continuous display of color. They generally start flowering about 60 to 70 days after sowing seeds. 3. Growth habit. Height. Zinnias vary in height depending on the variety, ranging from compact varieties that are about 8 to 12 inches tall to taller varieties that can reach up to 3 feet. Structure. They have an upright, bushy growth habit with numerous flower stems emerging from a central base. 4. Habitat. Zinnias thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. They are native to Mexico and are adapted to hot, sunny conditions, making them well-suited for summer gardens. 5. Care requirements. Light. Full sun is ideal for zinnias, as they need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day to bloom well. Soil. They prefer well-drained, fertile soil. Zinnias can tolerate poor soil conditions but perform best with a balanced soil mix. Watering. Regular watering is needed, especially during dry spells. Water at the base of the plants to avoid wetting the foliage, which can lead to fungal diseases. Fertilizing. Zinnias benefit from occasional feeding with a balanced fertilizer. Over-fertilization can lead to excessive foliage at the expense of blooms. 6. Propagation. Zinnias are usually grown from seeds, which can be sown directly into the garden after the last frost or started indoors a few weeks before planting out. They can also be grown from cuttings, though this is less common. 7. Pests and diseases. Zinnias are relatively pest-resistant but can be susceptible to aphids, spider mites, and powdery mildew. Good air circulation and proper spacing can help prevent diseases. Removing spent flowers and debris helps reduce fungal issues. 8. Uses. Zinnias are widely used in garden beds, borders, and containers. Their bright colors and long-lasting blooms make them excellent for attracting pollinators like butterflies and bees. They also make great cut flowers for arrangements. 9. Cultural significance. Zinnias are often associated with lasting friendship and thoughts of absent friends. They are appreciated for their easy cultivation and vibrant, enduring color. 10. Companion planting. Zinnias pair well with other sun-loving annuals and perennials, such as marigolds, cosmos, and sunflowers. They can create a lively, colorful garden bed or container garden. Zinnias are beloved for their bright, cheerful appearance and versatility in the garden. They are easy to grow and maintain, making them a favorite among both novice and experienced gardeners.